No. No, no. Yeah, I did. It burned. It burned. What's up, people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Omar, and this is Omar Over Fire. Thank you guys for being here with me today. Today, we're gonna be making burritos de huevo con chorizo. And for this application, real quick, we're gonna use jalapeno pepper. We got an onion, tomato, we got 2 eggs, we got chorizo. This right here, if you don't remember, we used them on the last video. These are from Food. These are jalapeno and cheddar. Really, really good. And we're gonna use them right here on this. I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna cut this pepper like this. Just like that. This is what I want. This is enough of onions and pepper, and we're gonna put it on the pan. While this is cooking, we're going to hydrate. Anyway, when I open these bottles like this with my knife, I'm not using the sharp side of the knife, just so you know. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh, look at that. Look at that chorizo. It's just perfect. Okay, to that, we're gonna add some of these hot links. And for this, I'm gonna cut it in small pieces like this, kind of like little pieces of hot dog. Same thing. Since it's just for me, I'm just gonna use one. But that right there is gonna give it a really, really good flavor. You can also use regular hot dogs. There's nothing wrong with using regular hot dogs. Some people's bashing those hot dogs. I don't know why. They're good. Taste good. 2 eggs. While this is cooking, I'm gonna show you something. I know how to make tortillas, flour tortillas. I know how to make them, but I'm just too lazy to make them, and it takes time. So what I do, I just go to Costco and buy this fresca tortillas, and this tortilla is uncooked. These are perfect because when you make them, it's like fresh made tortilla, and they taste really, really good, and you can find them at Costco. Look at this. Look at this. It's perfect. Here's the reason why I don't use any other cheese. I like cheese, but I don't like the strong flavor of cheese. I don't like a cheese that smells like somebody's feet. That's just me. So, I like mozzarella, and I use mozzarella. I'm gonna put some of that in here. Oh, look at that cheese. Let it cook. And look at this nice tortilla. Look at that. Perfect for burritos, for small burritos, you know. Oh my goodness. Ho, 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 ho. This here, it is ready, guys. Look. Next up, let's make our burrito. And the nice thing about this is that you can make as many burritos as you want, and you can always freeze them and have them for lunch the next day or whatever. That's the best thing about this meal. We're gonna use aluminum. And before we start with this aluminum thing, There's two sides to the aluminum, okay? There's two sides to the aluminum. But there is no right way and wrong way. Aluminum is aluminum. And it's gonna do its job no matter what. Burritos like this, you can load them up as however you want to. I'm just gonna make them like this. Like this. Now, why am I using aluminum, you may ask? Well, that's because I want to put it back in the comal so we can get a better, nice and crisp flavor. We got another tortilla. Let's make another one. We got another one. We're going to be making a third one. These tortillas are really, really nice. Look at that. It's fresh made tortilla, guys. It's just fresh made tortilla. I'm going to put it right here. Let's give it a couple seconds. We should be ready to eat some of these nice, well-made burritos. You know what this reminds me of? Let me ask you something. Have you ever seen the movie Ratatouille? Or Ratatouille? Yes? Okay. I don't know if you remember the scene when the little rat, the little chef, when he says, he's talking to someone and he says, I think it was Mr. Linguini, I think it was, or something. But when he was talking to him, he said, you know, what is the one thing that I always preach, that I always say? Everybody can cook. the little rat, the little chef said, yeah. But just because everybody can cook, it doesn't mean everybody should cook. Right here. Right here. The best thing about it is sometimes you just got to take pride on what you do. Oh, and by the way, I did found the guy that is always, he's always talking. This guy, he's a really, really funny guy. He makes all kinds of foods and stuff like that, especially when he's dealing with crawfish. Here it is.
And while we wait, we hard drink.
I started watching some of his videos. That guy is crazy. And I don't know for sure, but I think that guy, he's a police officer or used to be a cop, I don't know. But yeah, he's funny. He's funny as heck. So if you want to watch him, there you go. Oh, let's see. We got one burrito. We're going to let it sit for a little bit. We're going to let it cool off for a second, okay? Yeah, look at this, guys. Look at the color, look at everything. Oh my goodness, this is a good looking burrito. Oh no, no, no. Yeah, I did. It burned. It burned.
Daddy, chill.
Apparently, I did burn one of my burritos. You want to see it, don't you? All right.
What the hell is even that?
Well, that happened. It happens sometimes, guys, but that's just to show you that no one is perfect and we all make mistakes.
What you talking about, Willis?
And that right there that's a big mistake. But anyway, we're not going to talk about that no more. Let's just forget about it. It's in the past. But look at this. Look at this beauty. Look at it. This right here, you're talking about really, really nice burrito. Oh my goodness. To me, you don't have to add or take away anything. To me, this is a perfect burrito. Heck, I'm glad I didn't burn them all. And guys, thank you so much for being here with me today. Please, if you like the video, hit like, subscribe to the channel. Once again, it's free. Subscribe to the channel. Look at all these nice, beautiful recipes that we're making, guys. And this is all I got for you. I appreciate everything you guys are doing. Thank you so much. I love you, and I'll see you on the next one.